Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, audience and judges. My name is Arifin from SMA 3 Bandung. This morning, I'm going to present you about my research about the EcoSol panel. Okay, first, if I talk to you about the solar panel, your image it will be expensive, hard to make, and hard to send to everywhere. But here, I have the answer. The EcoSol solar sun harvester. On the left is the first generation of EcoSol, which I invented in 2007, made from water pipe, PVC, and GRC. On the right is the second generation, which I made in 2012, made from polycarbonate sheet, PVC pipe, and a glue. And here, how to make the panel. It's very easy. You have to cut this part, two parts, the head and the below one, bottom one. Cut 5 mm according to the polycarbonate sheet, and then slot the polycarbonate into the space that you have made in the PVC pipe. Then use the welding glue. Here's the final product of the second generation. This is the portable unit. It can be sent everywhere, folded in cardboard boxes, used post Indonesia to all over the world. And maybe the fourth generation, it will be in your hand. It's EcoSol panel. I'm just kidding now. So this is the cost for 3 meter squared panel. So the cost only panel is only 3,000 rupees. And for the system or panel installation, insulated tank, water cycle, and protective paint and everything, the sum is 3 million rupees. This is the system, which I use the EcoSol dump system. Which use the insulated tank. So in the insulated tank, we only store hot water. And the system of water circulation, thermostat, and the solenoid. Next, this EcoSol test, 3 meter squared test. In this variable, I use the early sun, so it's very shallow and not really hot as the midday sun. The time is 3 hours, so the efficiency is 55% in from 8 until 11 o'clock. Second day test is when the midday sun, so it's from 9:30 until 12. So it only took 2.5 hours. So the efficiency is 65%. This why EcoSol can be efficient, because EcoSol polycarbonate design. So it's the sun straight heated the water. Don't have to, if the sun arrive at the fins like the conventional one, it have to travel into the tube to heat the water. This also my dream is to reach and make EcoSol dream like the Linux, which open source, and reach 100 hectare in the first year, which is equivalent of saving 125,000 tons of coal, and also reduce the carbon footprint and pollution. How do I do it? I use by installing the panel for dryers, which can be used by water, air, hot water, swimming pools, desalination, preheating, and to generate power, which can be mechanical and electrical. This is a dry design that can reduce drastically post-harvest losses all over the world. This is the compressed air, low vapor engine. We can turn the vapor from EcoSol, that produced from EcoSol, into mechanical power. Then if you want to generate electricity, you just connect a generator to this engine. This is the comparative table between traditional panel, which is very use stainless steel, copper, aluminum, glass, galvanized steel. EcoSol only use polycarbonate sheet, PVC pipe, glue. Production complicated, easy, transport expensive. And there are no embedded energy materials, so you don't need copper, aluminum, because it the price is expensive and also energy expensive. You can easily make large size because it's easy to make, and the system will be reduce Indonesia carbon footprint. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.